Chow mein, a beloved dish in Chinese cuisine, offers a delightful fusion of textures and tastes that has captivated palates worldwide. Its versatility knows no bounds, allowing for endless combinations of protein, vegetables and sauces to create a culinary masterpiece tailored to your preferences. Whether you crave the savory depth of chicken, the delicate flavor of prawns, or the hearty richness of beef, chow mein provides the perfect canvas for your culinary creativity. The beauty of chow mein lies not only in its adaptability, but also in its simplicity. With a few basic techniques and readily available ingredients, you can effortlessly recreate this classic dish in the comfort of your own kitchen. From the perfectly cooked noodles to the art of stir-frying, each step contributes to the symphony of flavors that defines chow mein. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a culinary novice, this recipe will guide you through the process of creating a flavorful and satisfying chow mein that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. So, gather your ingredients, embrace the joy of cooking, and embark on a culinary adventure that will transport you to the heart of Chinese cuisine. Before embarking on your chow mein adventure, it's essential to gather all the necessary ingredients. This will ensure a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience, allowing you to focus on the art of creating a flavorful masterpiece. Here's a comprehensive list of what you'll need. For the noodles, 200 grams of dried chow mein noodles and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. For the sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, half a teaspoon of sugar and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. For the stir-fry, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 250 grams of protein of your choice, be it chicken, prawns, beef, tofu, or a combination, 1 onion sliced, 2 garlic cloves minced, and 1 cup of mixed vegetables like carrots, peppers, broccoli, mushrooms, etc. Optional ingredients: 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, a quarter cup of chicken or vegetable broth, chopped spring onions for garnish, and toasted sesame seeds for garnish. Having all your ingredients prepped and ready to go will make the cooking process a breeze, allowing you to focus on the nuances of each step and create a truly exceptional chow mein. The foundation of any great chow mein lies in perfectly cooked noodles that are both soft and slightly chewy. Achieving this ideal texture is crucial to the overall enjoyment of the dish. Begin by bringing a large pot of water to a rolling boil. Carefully add the dried chow mein noodles to the boiling water, ensuring they are fully submerged. Cook the noodles according to the package instructions, typically around 2 to 3 minutes, or until they are al dente. Once cooked, drain the noodles in a colander and rinse them thoroughly under cold water to stop the cooking process. This will also help to prevent the noodles from sticking together. Toss the noodles with 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil to further prevent sticking and to add a hint of flavor. Set the noodles aside while you prepare the remaining ingredients. Section 4. Stir-frying the protein and vegetables, the heart of the matter. Now comes the heart of the chow mein, stir-frying the protein and vegetables to perfection. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large wok or frying pan over medium-high heat. Add your chosen protein to the hot oil, ensuring to spread it out evenly to promote browning. Cook the protein for 3 to 5 minutes or until it is cooked through and lightly golden. Remove the cooked protein from the wok and set it aside. In the same wok, add the remaining 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and heat over medium-high heat. Add the sliced onions and minced garlic to the hot oil and sauté for 2 to 3 minutes or until softened and fragrant. Add the mixed vegetables to the wok and stir-fry for an additional 4 to 5 minutes or until they are tender crisp. It's important to maintain a high heat during stir-frying to ensure the vegetables retain their vibrant color and crisp texture. Section 5. Assembling your culinary masterpiece, combining flavors and textures. With the noodles, protein, and vegetables cooked to perfection, it's time to assemble your culinary masterpiece. In a small bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, sugar, and black pepper to create the flavorful sauce that will bring your chow mein to life. Add the cooked noodles to the wok with the stir-fried vegetables. Pour the prepared sauce over the noodles and vegetables, tossing everything together to ensure it is evenly coated. Cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes, or until the sauce is heated through and slightly thickened. If desired, you can thicken the sauce further by creating a slurry with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1/4 cup of chicken or vegetable broth. Add the slurry to the wok during the last minute of cooking and stir until the sauce reaches your desired consistency. Serve your chow mein immediately, garnished with chopped spring onions and toasted sesame seeds for an added layer of flavor and visual appeal. Enjoy.